The new high lift by Precise offers vegetable growers with a high crop such as zucchini, squash, pumpkins, or watermelons, just to name a few examples, with a simple machine capable of going over the top of the plants with empty lugs loaded onto the machine and ready to be filled with harvested produce. The full lugs can then be mechanically unloaded off the high lift at a designated location outside of the field itself. This machine is available in a 3, 4, or 5 bin length. The hinged side chutes are lightweight, made of aluminum, and available in lengths up to 25 feet per side. The machine comes standard with a dual tire walking beam system, but can also be equipped with idler tracks for added flotation in mud. The high lift can be raised 40 inches over the plants and yet still get within 4 inches of level with the ground, thus allowing for very gentle unloading of full lugs. The efficiency of the machine is seen in several scenarios, one of which being that there are no drive rows required for unloading the full lugs. This adds value by bringing the drive rows back into production and increasing your plantable acres. This also eliminates pickers from having to push the full lugs to the nearest drive row with a trailer located on it, saving countless hours of walking and not picking. Another advantage is that as the weather changes, the rate of fruit growth can vary wildly. Thus, there are times when harvesting very quickly or very slowly are advantageous. This machine allows you to precisely control the picking crew's ground speed by setting it with the pull tractor. If you happen to be a vegetable grower who also has fruit trees such as apples, the high lift can be easily converted into a harvesting aid for this crop as well. It can also be used to do trellis work, hand thinning, tying bamboo, and many other different tasks in an orchard environment. When the high lift is all the way up, the picker is able to stand on the top step and reach almost 12 feet into the air.